Welcome back. In this video, we will tackle the odd-even linked list problem. This is a common interview question that tests your ability to manipulate pointers in a linked list without using extra space. Let's dive in. First, let's clarify exactly what we need to do. We are given a singly linked list. Our task is to group all the nodes that are at odd indices together, followed by all the nodes at even indices. It is important to remember that we are talking about the node's position in the list, like first, second, third, and so on, not the actual value stored inside the node. Here is a visual example. In the input list, we have nodes 1 through 5 in order. In the desired output, notice how the first, third, and fifth nodes are grouped at the beginning. Then, the second and fourth nodes follow them. We preserve the relative order inside each group. The most efficient way to solve this is by maintaining two separate pointers, effectively splitting the list into two parts as we traverse it. We will have one chain for odd positions and another chain for even positions. At the very end, we will simply link the tail of the odd list to the head of the even list. Let's set up our pointers. We define a pointer named odd starting at the head of the list. We define a pointer named even starting at the second node. We also need to save the starting position of the even list, which we call even head, because we will need it later to reconnect the two parts. Now we enter a loop. In every iteration, we change the next pointer of the odd node to skip the even node and point directly to the next odd node. Then, we move our odd pointer forward. This effectively stitches the odd nodes together. We do the same for the even list. We update the next pointer of the current even node to point to the next even node down the line, and then move the even pointer forward. We repeat this process until we reach the end of the list. Once the loop finishes, we have two separate chains. To form the final result, we simply take the last node of the odd list and point its next reference to the even head we saved at the beginning. This merges the two groups into a single list. Always consider edge cases. If the list is empty, we return null. If it has only one or two nodes, the logic still holds or simply returns the list as is, ensuring our code is robust against small inputs. Finally, let's look at the efficiency. The time complexity is big O of n because we traverse the list exactly once. The space complexity is big O of 1 because we only use a fixed number of pointers to perform the reordering in place without creating any new nodes.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.